CosmoGlo presents the CosmoGlo XL assembly video. Your instructions will arrive in your box. Parts included are the halo, clamp, Powerbox, Poleset, and your flat base, which includes 3 socket screws that are screwed in place and 4 rubber feet on the bottom, toolkit, and a phone clip. You will also need 1 standard size Phillips head screwdriver, not included in your assembly kit. First, you'll loosen the lower tightening screw on clamp using a Phillips head screwdriver. Then you'll separate the outer pole from inner poles. Your clamp will remain on the middle pole. Set outer pole to the side. Without using tension, gently straighten the halo cord for easier threading through poles. Always loosen clamp knob to prevent cosmetic damage before adjusting poles. Feed straightened power cord down into the inner poles. Attach halo arm to poles by aligning the holes on the inner pole with the holes on the end of the halo arm. Secure connections with barrel screw and nut. Tighten the barrel screw using your screwdriver and a smaller wrench. Use both tools at the same time, one on each side to fully tighten. Insert the connected halo poles and light cord downwards into the top of outer pole. Once fully inserted, secure bottom portion of the clamp to outer pole using your screwdriver, while the upper portion remains fitted to the smaller poles and halo. Tighten both the lower clamp screw and upper turn knob to stabilize. To adjust pole height, turn clamp knob counterclockwise to loosen and clockwise to tighten at desired height. Loosen knob and extend light arm upwards to retract excess cord into poles. Tighten clamp in position with ferrite cord clip visible just below the flat circular bottom of the outer pole. Attach assembled halo and poles to base. The light cord should exit the back end of the base nearest poles. Hold the light arm steady and carefully stand assembled light upright. We recommend 2 people complete this step together for safety. Hold the pivoting halo arm steady and use caution when assembling. Gently thread the remaining light cord through center base hole until the ferrite stops above the base. Secure the pole set to the base using 3 base screws and a large wrench. Cord floats freely between base and rubber feet. Do not place heavy items on the base to protect the cord. Plug the power box into a power source. Plug the cord from the light into the connected power adapter. Using your light, CosmoGlo XL. Long press the dimmer knob to turn on or off. Short press to toggle between light tones. Turn the dimmer knob to adjust your brightness. For optimum performance and stability, avoid fully extending telescoping poles. Keep at least 1 to 3 inches of the inner poles nested inside of the outer pole. Alternate your halo rotation direction to prevent damage over time from repeatedly turning in one direction. Your light comes with a lightweight, minimalist phone holder and 2 safety bands. This clip is intended to help you work faster and more efficiently with less noticeable interruptions during client services. These are designed to help you keep the same angle during filming without holding your phone hostage. Simply lift the bands, slide your phone underneath and on top of the metal plate. Once secured, the clip can be attached to your halo on either side with 1 quick movement and detach just as easily. While filming, you may move your light arm and/or rotate the halo to achieve the desired filming angle. Should you need to quickly use your phone during services or filming, you can. Simply unclip and leave the phone banded to the clip. When finished, clip back on and reopen Camera app to resume filming. Due to the nature of the simple safety bands, they can be easily replaced if lost or one breaks. The LEDs are covered by a shield. The shield floats to help airflow easier inside the lamp during use so as to reduce heat or moisture buildup. You can adjust the shield by pressing in on both sides until the shield is evenly positioned. For optimal lighting during services, position your CosmoGlo at forehead level. If fingerprints or smudging occurs, use a microfiber cloth to wipe down any part of the light. Do not use harsh chemicals on your light or LED shield. Do not submerge any portion of the light or pieces in liquids. Always use caution when assembling salon furniture. We hope that you have love at first light. If you have questions, please visit our help center online at thecosmoglo.com or send an email to us at support@thecosmoglo.com.